G'day guys, Morgan Jones here from Business Insurance Group. Just wanted to make a really quick video to give you guys some insight into what contract works insurance is. Now, contract works insurance can sometimes also be coupled with public liability insurance, where I've made another video on that if you want to go and have a look. So the contract works aspect of it is really intended to cover material damage for a builder. So for example, if you're going to build a structure, let's say a house or a block of units or anything of that nature, and then throughout that construction process some sort of damage happens to the mid-completion works. So for example, a storm rips through and then completely demolishes the site, or a fire, some vandals come and set fire to the site, then you're going to be looking to claim the money for those damages, because whoever you're building for is going to say, well, we need you to still build the structure. You've now incurred all this cost and the materials and all the rest of it, and somehow this has got to be rectified. So that's one aspect, is the material damage. And then the second bit is your normal public liability policy. So that will then tack onto the side, and it's really to cover the things that might happen on site, like tradesmen getting injured, damage occurring to third-party property that happens to be on the site, all of those sort of things. So it's a really neat way for a builder or even a developer or a principal of a construction contract to be able to cover off both that material damage risk in case something happens to the project itself, and also the liability in case somebody tries to sue them for any actions that have occurred on the site. That's it really in a nutshell, guys. If you want some more information or you'd like us to have a look at a particular project that you've got going on, get in touch. The contact details are on the website. Thank you.